Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview on a Friday, October 10th, 2014. Traders, great to be with you, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. It is absolutely beautiful outside. Blue skies, white sandy beaches, nice cool breeze, no air conditioning today. And of course, as always, sunshine in my office. Traders is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I am your moderator through the market opening preview every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, please don't forget, today is Friday, and after the New York close, we will have the Friday wrap-up, where we'll go over about 10 to 15 daily charts and look at what's happening last week and what's going to happen next week. Alright, traders, a little bit about myself, and by the way, I just love trading Forex. I trade it every single day. I'm in the markets, I'm watching, I'm listening, and I'm waiting for those opportunities, and that's what it's all about. Let's go over to the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex market. Traders, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Alright, traders, let's head over to the news and commentary and let's see what's going on. In the markets, the Dow closed down 1.97%. The S&P 500 was down negative 2.07%, and the Nasdaq was down negative 1.78%. I gotta tell you, traders, that's the first time in a long time I've seen the U.S. indices down that much in such, one session, over 1%. That's pretty amazing. All right, let's go over to the euro, and the DAX is actually up 0.11%. The FTSE closed negative 0.78%. The CAC 40 closed negative 0.64%, and the Euro stocks closed at negative 2.1%. I would gather that was probably due to Mr. Draghi, ECB president's speech. Right, and the Euro stocks 50 closed at negative 0.21%. I think I might have told you that. Let's go over to Asia. What's going on in Asia? The Nikkei, these countries are currently trading. The Nikkei 225 is actually up. Negative 1.29%. S&P ASX 200 out of Sydney, Australia, is down negative 1.81%. Shanghai is down negative 0.59%. Hang Seng is down negative 1.66%. Ending this one with the Kospi is negative 1.3%. Looks like all red to me, traders. That is not a good sign. Looks like the indices are down. They're not liking what the markets are doing. Let's take a look at today's economic calendar. There was nothing in Asia today. And as I go through the other screen, basically, traders, this is 100% a totally technical day. So it's a Friday. Remember, we have position squaring, profit taking, so be careful of that. And I put on your scalp hat and just grab your 10 or 15 pips and get the heck out. Grab your profits and run. Alright, these are the 60-minute Forex charts. So let's start with the euro dollar. Euro dollar is still above the 200 exponential moving average. I'm not interested. I'm waiting for this to close below it, and it will. Once it closes below the 200 exponential moving average, I will take this to the downside. Alright, I mean, there's not much to say about it. There's no way I am buying the euro dollar. I'm buying the euro. I want to buy the dollar. It's strong, so we're going to buy the dollar. The Great British Pound is barely below the 200 exponential moving average at 1.6136%. I'm looking at about like 6104, 6100. And you know what? We're going to sell this, take it down to previous support, and hopefully have a great weekend. Alright, the Aussie dollar is doing its thing, and it is doing very nicely, by the way, I have to admit. The Aussie dollar is really in a sweet spot where we'd like to sell this, but we are 3 hours before the London market open, and I really want to see this notch up a tad, and then we can sell this, and we'll take this all the way back down. And but the Aussie is looking good for a sell today, so we're looking to sell the Aussie dollar. This is the Euro Aussie, and again, we're at resistance, not liking this too much, but it took out the previous high, so I'm sort of liking maybe a change of trend. So let's bring this back to the 61.8%, and at about 44.54, let's buy this. I don't think we're going to get a selling opportunity, even though I'm bearish in this pair. But this is the second day now that we're seeing this breaking highs over resistance. So, you know what? Let's join the party and let's buy it. Here's our Euro Yen. This looks really nice for a nice sell setup. However, I don't think it's going to get to that 137.28. It'd be beautiful if it did. If you get to the 618, which is 137.06, you know what? I would sell that and take that all the way down to 136.72. Alright, this is New Zealand dollar. This thing's been hanging out at this, well, it looks like the last 12 hours. And the 200 exponential moving average at 0.7861. Let's sell it. Let's get a bearish candlestick formation at the London Open. I would not take a trade before the London Open. And let's sell this, and we'll take this down to 0.7776, and that would be absolutely awesome. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL, Excellence in Trading, I thank you for joining me on this Friday, our last day of trading till our break. And of course, remember, after the New York close, about 4 hours or so, I will give you the Friday wrap-up where we look at a bunch of daily charts. Traders, enjoy your trading day, grab those pips, and remember, trade smart and not hard. And traders, we'll see you next time, live from Pattaya, Thailand. Take care, and bye-bye.